Hi everyone. Today we are going through a quick demonstration of our data intelligence suite solution, how we are managing your regulatory compliance rules for a better understanding of your data landscape. My name is Jean-Bernard Ada, and I'm Solution Strategist for the EMEA region at Erwin by Quest. The Discover Assets UI provides business users an intuitive portal and unique experience to browse and review any kind of asset, whether we talk about technical or business assets. Focusing on regulation, we can browse and filter at a glance any regulation, display the details, governance responsibilities, sensitivity, and more. The mind map technology is what really creates a rich contextual experience for the end user. Unlike everything you have seen before, you can explain it out to see everything and review all of the grid contextual terms. Taking this example of this Basel III pillar framework, we build these glossaries, considering real depths, processes, rules, relationships, and this is all algorithmically driven. The preferences menu helps me focus on what really matters, understand the content, and how the business and technical assets are tied together. The data quality profiling capability scores my data and retrieves me a fresh information about how I can trust my data. Everything is available at a glance under my fingers. It drives me to the detail of the column, to the technical lineage, and to how the data is processed. The ability is not only to see all the lineage connections and where everything goes, but also to see those business rules applied, and even have access to the quality score indicator. It shows me a full picture on the enterprise lineage view. Any of my environments are capable of being reverse engineered using smart connectors. Not only we can capture whole detailed logic from our store procedures and XML files, for instance, but we can also capture the same logic from the reporting layer. Now we don't have to sit down hours, weeks and months to try to document how the reporting layers is populated. We can just scan it, load it, and project it here as an image that everyone can learn from. Look at how this information is compelling to the business. All this great graphical representation is generating automatically. Yes, automatically. Using our proven smart connector technology, reverse engineering the code and documenting all complexity and maintaining this content up to date. Version control, and also process driven, by the way. In this use case, the data quality score combined with the lineage comparison helps me identify any lack of binding of mapping in the data preparation. Can you just imagine the time saving for data developers, for data scientists, and in the same time the value for business users to take objective decisions based on accurate and trusted data? Everything and anything is possible because of the automation capability to pull together not just the physical data, but all of the underlying business structure as well. Looking at any financial dashboard, you now better understand your data. We create a simplified view which gives the end user all the grid context that they need to understand how the data is being used by the company. That's what data intelligence is all about. It's helping people understand where the data is. How are we using it? How is it calculated? Can I trust my report? Do I understand where the reporting data comes from? How those data values are calculated? And the answer should be absolutely. I invite you to come to erwin.com. Reach out to us today. We'll have a conversation about the problems you are trying to solve, the challenges that you want to achieve, the ways you would like to advance your architecture, or you're trying to be compliant with some compliance programs. Thank you.